Hi guys, today we're gonna hunt birds with rubber bands and stuff like rocks and dirt, like dirt balls.
And we're gonna do like catch some animal like a beehives over there. See that beehives? I think you guys cannot see, but it's right there. Yeah, it's that small thing, but okay. And let's get started.
Let's get started. Let's get started. All get started.
Okay, let's start to hunt.
No, we'll go. Wait. Yeah. A bird. I got a bird. I killed one bird.
Come on, let's go to the shadow to see more better. So we kind of found bird. We killed a bird with my rock. It's super soft. Oh, that's soft. And we really want to keep that, but we can't. You see his anus? Look at this, guys.
The anus.
Okay.
I'll show you the anus is just right here. You can't see that. That's the anus.
It's right in there. Okay, so what do we do now? Try to
Find some
shoot
birds.
them.
Okay, so I think this is gonna be an edit fail.
What is
Oh, you
that?
see that? Oh, sorry, give me that. Give me that.
You see that? Flying, right?
Oh, I think it's a pelican falcon. Oh, eat this bird.
I think it's right here. Very small, right?
Okay. That was
Okay, so I guess we can't find it.
dog eagle. Let's wait.
And when the birds are somewhere like there, like we're gonna shoot it with the rubber band, like these rubber bands. Yeah. And now we're just
Pause the video.
yeah. Okay, I suppose a bird again. Oh, I think there's a bird. A bird? It's just not a bird. Is that a dead bird?
It looks like the same bird we found.
That's a sparrow. I don't know what it is, but
You can hold it.
whoa! Where's the other one? Let's pause and find the thing that we find. 2, 3.
What kind of
No.
bird?
Oh, bird! We found another bird. That's impossible. Why is there under here? Oh, see that? It's impossible. Another bird. I think it's a sparrow. I don't really know what it is, but
Let's go find a normal one.
yeah. Where's the other one? Let's pause and look for it, cause we don't know where it is. So let's pause. Let's find it over here. I think it's over here because I left it right here.
It died.
I know it died because you hit him. Wow, now we catch like 5 birdies and birdies. Okay.
So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and bye.